Good morning, class. Okay, let's get started. We are going to do our calendar time. We are in the month of April. Right, we're in the month of April. And yesterday was a special day, and Miss Peffer did not put up the special piece on the calendar for yesterday. It was Earth Day. It was Earth Day, a day where we celebrate the earth and try to remember all the things we can do to make Earth better, like recycling. Okay, so which one, let's see if you can see it. Which one says Earth Day? This one or this one? It is this one. All right, so we're going to take down our 22 and we're going to put Earth Day. All right, so you guys should have already watched your months of the year and you should have watched your April song. Now we're going to count all of these numbers. We're getting a bunch of numbers. So let's count them and see what today's date is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, so let's look at our numbers and see if we can figure out what number comes next. 22 and then 20. Let's see. All right, let's see what number comes after 22. Is it 23 or 24? What comes after 22? 23 or 24? 23 comes after 22. Great job, guys. If you said 23, you are correct. All right, so let me move the recorder a little bit so we can see our days of the week. And we're still in the season of spring. And let's talk about what the day is. What day is it? Today is, let's see, is today Friday or Thursday? Today is Thursday. Great job, guys. Today is Thursday. So our date is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Let's see what yesterday was. If today is Thursday, that means yesterday was Wednesday or Tuesday. Wednesday or Tuesday. It was Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. So, if yesterday was Wednesday and today is Thursday, that means tomorrow will be Friday or Saturday. Friday or Saturday. What do you think? It will be Friday. Yay for Friday. Tomorrow. All right, and let's look at our temperature and our weather report for today. First, pause the video and go watch your days of the week in Spanish and English. All right, so today's weather, I don't know what it's doing outside your house right now, but I hear some thunder outside my door this morning, and it's raining really hard. And the high temperature today is only 68 degrees. So we're going to put that down here. So where is 68? It's right here between 60 and 70. Is it in the hot section or the warm section? It is in the warm section. So we're going to take this stuff down and we are going to put warm and stormy because I hear thunder and see lightning and it is raining a lot right now. So you guys stay inside and stay safe today. Tomorrow it's going to be a lot better of a day. It's going to be 81, which is up here in the red. So we say that is hot, right? We say that is hot. It's going to be hot tomorrow. And sun and clouds. Sun and clouds tomorrow. So let's see what picture we can put up for that. All right, we have this picture and we have this picture. Which one shows sun and clouds? That is our weather today. Search for tomorrow. There's sun and clouds. All right, if you chose this one, you are correct. It will be partly cloudy tomorrow. All right, we have to take a look at our Brad the weather guy because he is not dressed for the weather at all. He is in shorts and a t-shirt and no umbrella. So let's fix him. We're going to take off his baseball hat. We're going to take off his shirt and his shorts because it is not hot anymore. So we're going to put on a sweatshirt. And let's see. Being that the weather is a lot cooler than it was yesterday, do you think we should wear shorts or pants on our Brad the weather guy? I'm thinking pants. I'm definitely thinking pants with the weather the way it is outside and the temperature difference. So we're going to put some pants and a sweatshirt. And when it's raining, we need an umbrella. Right, so you are going to need an umbrella, Mr. Brad the weather guy, because it is raining outside and it's supposed to rain most of the day today. So you have to find fun things to do inside. All right, so let's go over our weather and our calendar time one more time. Today is Thursday, excuse me, April 23rd, 2020. We're in the season of spring. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Today the weather is warm and stormy. Tomorrow the weather will be hot and partly cloudy. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed our calendar time this morning. Go watch your season song, your weather song, and your See It, Say It, Sign It alphabet song. And I will see you tomorrow for our last calendar time of the week. Bye, friends.